How to create a Viki account. First of all, head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Create Viki Account. Head over to the very first site. Now just tap on Sign up for Viki. It will land you on the interface where you'll get to create your Viki account. So first of all, right here, enter your phone number and then tap on Continue. You will receive one verification code on your phone number. All you gotta do is copy that code and paste it here. Once you are done, tap on Continue. Now you need to enter some of your information. Enter your first name, last name, and your birth date. Select your gender right here and then tap on Continue. Create a password for your Viki account. And for the confirmation, re-enter your password right here and then tap on Continue. It will ask you for your email address. You can simply skip it for now. And there you go, your Viki account has been created successfully. You can modify or set up your account as per your need. So this was for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to create Viki account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.